So over the past years, I've closed over 6 figures only over cold DMs over Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, how you can send automatic messages 24/7 and be in a freaking basement as I am and close thousands of dollars every single month just because you set the right automations, you understand cold DMs over Instagram, and you sell coaching, you sell agency services, or anything else you have in your mind, and you can sell it over Instagram DM. Let's get straight into it. This is a whole map of every outcome possible and every automation you should set up to actually not send any messages manually anymore and close thousands of dollars and set meetings every week. On the top, it's an outbound opener which goes automatically out with a tool called Auto IGDM. It sends automatically messages per day, and we have several accounts which sends multiple messages per day out. Then we get a response and we get a pitch back. And there are only 3 circumstances or 3 outcomes which can happen, which is no answer, positive, or negative. Let's go the no answer route. Then we send an automatic follow-up 1, then we have no answer, and we send the second one. And there again, there are only 3 circumstances which can happen, which is yes, question mark, and no. Actually, everything is automated from here, this one, till here. Actually, when you're doing this for multiple weeks, months, and even years, you collect a lot of data. You collect a lot of copy, which is actually working and which is actually not working. And we are coming to a point where AI can actually take over a big chunk of this, what you're seeing here. But you need to feed it with a very, very good copy, you need to feed it with very, very good data. And therefore, you need to do this for a certain time manually, so you can actually give the AI the right data which is working, the right copy which is working. The same when you have advertisements and you test different copies towards each other, or you have thumbnails on YouTube and you test them towards each other. You need to do this for cold DM. You need to do this for everything in marketing. And therefore, when you test it and tweak it and you understand which works best, then you feed it towards AI. AI will learn out of it and understand what's working even better from there onwards, and it will tweak it even better. We are at the point where we let AI take over more and more and more, because the closing rate goes higher, or not the closing rate, the call set rate goes higher, because we're testing so much copy towards each other and understanding what's the best copy. So actually, this is already taking over by AI. Later on, setting even the calls, answering questions, and so on and so forth will be as well covered by AI completely, and you can have a natural conversation with an AI which was learned with the right copy over several months, even years. So let's go over the different outcome which can happen, which is there's a negative answer which you get. And therefore we have a confused or kind of after pitch which we send out. And there are also 3 circumstances which can happen, which is a no, yes, and a question mark. A question you answered, and then you pitch for a call where you generally offer value in the call to share whatever you're offering for your coaching or for your consultancy or for agency, whatever you're doing. In the beginning, when I was selling agency services, actually it was video editing for ads or for YouTube, I generally understood what the client needed. So you need to understand who you're sending the messages to. Then you need to understand what pitch to send to generally help your clients. So don't copy something and just paste it because you see it's working for others. You need to take a look if it's working for your offer and for the niche you are in. And therefore, when this is working, then obviously you can then as well get meetings booked and help people on this planet, because only then, when you have a value exchange, then you can make money. So we answer the question. We can also have the outcome here that we get a yes. And these green bubbles I will go over when we go towards the positive route. And then we have no outcome. We set a follow-up after 1 week in our CRM system, so everything is automated. The only thing we need to do on a daily task is set us a calendar meeting or a calendar task in our calendar for 1 hour to actually do these things manually. Later on, AI will also take over this part. And then you share a client result to build trust with videos. And there you have the outcome. Maybe it's again no, but then You can also leave the client. Maybe he's following you on YouTube and this is the follow-up. When it's a yes, then you offer him to a call and offer him some value there. And when there's a quick question, then answer it and pitch again. When this is a yes, perfect, then ask for the timing for a call to share value, go into these points, tell them how it works, and close the deal. Then we go towards the positive route, which is, okay, perfect. The person wants to understand how it works. The person is genuinely interested in whatever you're offering. Then we have this add to opportunities. So when you're not using a CRM system, use a CRM system. When you're using a CRM system, then you should have a pipeline, and the second stage should be the name setting. So we have a 2-step closing set here right now, or a 2-step closing funnel, which is setting, and then we have closing. And you should add him to setting the stage, because you will have a long list of people who are interested in your services, but you're not right away booking them into a call. And therefore you will have a list where you need to follow up generally all the time towards new people, because you're setting some of them you will not set, but you need to follow up on these who are interested, highly interested, and you will have a list which you can follow up on a daily basis. Yeah, pitch them for the call, asking for the timing. You will get a response for the time. Then you ask for the email, which will be picked up by the CRM system automatically. And you have a calendar where you only need to put their contact inside, and there will be the timing inside. And you have also their time zone, and automatically follow-up messages either through, for sure, email, and as well SMS needs to go out 1 hour before, 10 minutes before, and 1 day before the call, so the show-up rate will be higher. As well, the whole thing here, Instagram will be completely connected towards the CRM system, so you're not sending messages out from Instagram, you will send messages out from the CRM system. And automatically, when a person responds towards the CRM system, it automatically creates and contact, and you can actually put him in towards a list. You can follow up towards these people, and everything is automated, and you're much faster. You need to do this when you send thousands of messages per month. And then you book them into a calendar, and again, we are sending content for trust. And this is actually the whole automation. Obviously, there's much more to cover, more workflows, more automations, more AI stuff which goes into this, but therefore our clients only have access to this variable stuff, which makes them thousands of dollars per month. When you want to be a part and make as well thousands of dollars with Instagram cold DMs, then book a call, first link in the description, and either we see each other in the call or in the next video. Bye-bye.